There are things in our universe so extreme that they defy common sense. A black hole so massive it could swallow our entire solar system without a trace. A sound so loud it circled the Earth 4 times. A floating ball of lightning that can pass through windows. And inside your own body, a construction site where billions of cells are replaced every single day. Today, we are uncovering 5 mind-blowing facts about black holes, lightning, volcanoes, and the human body that will leave you speechless. Secret number 1. Ton 618, the largest black hole ever discovered. Most people have heard of the black hole at the center of our galaxy, Sagittarius A star, with a mass of about 4 million suns. That is already hard to imagine. But TUN 618 is in a different league entirely. This supermassive black hole, located 10.4 billion light-years away, has a mass of 66 billion suns. Yes, billion with a B. That is 66 billion times the mass of our sun. To put that in perspective, the entire solar system would be a tiny speck next to its event horizon. Ton 618's event horizon, the point of no return, has a radius of about 1,300 astronomical units. 1 astronomical unit is the distance from Earth to the Sun. So TUN 618's event horizon stretches across 1,300 times that distance. That is 11 times the diameter of Neptune's orbit. If you place TUN 618 at the center of our solar system, its event horizon would completely swallow the orbits of all 8 planets and extend far beyond the Kuiper Belt. The light from its accretion disk is so bright that it outshines the entire galaxy around it. Ton 618 is not just a black hole, it is a cosmic monster. Astronomers discovered it using the Sloan Digital Sky Survey, and it remains one of the most extreme objects in the observable universe. We cannot see the black hole itself, but the radiation from the superheated gas falling into it is brighter than 1 trillion suns. That is the power of gravity gone wild. Secret number 2. Your body replaces 330 billion cells every single day. You might think your body is a static collection of parts, but it is actually a constantly renewing factory. Every day, your body produces approximately 330 billion new cells. That is more than the number of stars in the Milky Way galaxy. To be precise, the Milky Way contains between 100 and 400 billion stars. So you're making a galaxy's worth of cells every 24 hours. Red blood cells are the most numerous. You produce about 200 billion of them each day, each living for about 120 days before being replaced. Your skin cells are replaced every 2 to 4 weeks. Your gut lining turns over every 3 to 5 days. Even your bones are constantly being broken down and rebuilt. The cells in your stomach lining last only 2 days because they are constantly attacked by your own digestive acids. The cells that line your intestines are replaced every few days as well. The process of cell division is called mitosis, and it happens millions of times every second in your body. Without this continuous renewal, you would quickly succumb to injury and disease. The old cells die, a process called apoptosis, and new ones take their place. Over a year, you effectively replace most of your body's cells. The only major exceptions are neurons in your brain, which largely stay with you for life, and some muscle cells. But even those are slowly renewed. So, in a very real sense, you are not the same person you were a year ago. You are a ship of Theseus, constantly rebuilding yourself. And you do it without even thinking about it. Secret number 3. Ball lightning, the mysterious floating plasma ball. For centuries, people have reported seeing glowing, spherical objects floating through the air during thunderstorms. They move erratically, sometimes passing through windows or walls, and vanish with a pop or a flash. This phenomenon is called ball lightning. For a long time, scientists dismissed it as an illusion or a trick of the eye. But in 2014, researchers finally recorded ball lightning with scientific instruments for the first time. They used high-speed cameras and spectrographs to analyze a glowing orb that appeared during a thunderstorm in China. The orb was about 5 meters wide, lasted about 1.5 seconds, and moved horizontally before disappearing. The spectrum showed traces of silicon, iron, and calcium, elements found in soil. The leading theory is that ball lightning forms when ordinary lightning strikes the ground, vaporizing soil and creating a plasma ball of charged particles. The plasma is kept together by its own magnetic field, but it is still poorly understood. Some reports describe ball lightning the size of a grapefruit, others as large as a car. It has been seen entering buildings through chimneys and even through closed windows. In one famous case, a 18th century scientist named George Richman was killed when a ball of lightning struck his metal rod and exploded. Ball lightning remains one of the last great mysteries of atmospheric physics. We know it exists, but we cannot predict it or reproduce it reliably in a lab. It is a reminder that even familiar things like lightning can still surprise us. Secret number 4. The loudest sound in recorded history, Krakatoa 1883. On August 27, 1883, the volcanic island of Krakatoa in Indonesia erupted with a force estimated at 200 megatons of TNT, 4 times more powerful than the largest hydrogen bomb ever tested. The explosion sent a shockwave that traveled at the speed of sound. But what made it truly unique was the sound it produced. The explosion was heard on the island of Rodriguez, 3,000 miles away. That is like hearing a noise in New York from London. People on the other side of the Indian Ocean thought cannons were firing. The sound was so intense that it ruptured eardrums of sailors 40 miles away. The shockwave circled the Earth 4 times, yes, 4 times, before finally fading. Barometers around the world registered the pressure wave. The eruption also produced a series of tsunamis that killed over 36,000 people. The sound itself was not recorded. Recording equipment did not exist, but scientists have estimated its volume. At 100 miles from the source, it would have been 180 decibels. At 1 mile, it would have been over 200 decibels. For perspective, 150 decibels can rupture eardrums. 180 decibels is enough to cause internal damage. The Krakatoa explosion is the loudest sound ever created on Earth, and it is unlikely to be surpassed anytime soon. It serves as a humbling reminder of the power beneath our feet. No human invention has come close to matching that raw natural force. Secret number 5. A blue whale's heartbeat slows to 2 beats per minute when diving. The blue whale is the largest animal ever to have lived on Earth, bigger than any dinosaur. An adult blue whale can weigh up to 200 tons and reach 30 meters, 100 feet, in length. Its heart alone weighs about 180 kilograms, 400 pounds, the size of a small car. But perhaps the most astonishing thing about the blue whale is its heart rate. When the whale surfaces to breathe, its heart beats about 25 to 35 times per minute. But when it dives deep to feed on krill, its heart rate can drop to as low as 2 beats per minute. That is barely 1 beat every 30 seconds. Scientists attached a heart monitor to a wild blue whale for the first time in 2019. They recorded beats as low as 2 to 5 beats per minute during deep dives. The whale's heart does this to conserve oxygen. The whale can stay submerged for up to 90 minutes. The aorta, the main artery leading from the heart, is so wide that a small child could crawl through it. Each beat pushes thousands of liters of blood through the whale's massive body. The blue whale's heart is an engineering marvel. It has evolved to support the largest living creature on Earth, yet it can slow down to an almost imperceptible rhythm. This adaptation allows the whale to dive deep and feed in the cold, dark waters of the ocean. Without it, the blue whale could not survive. These 5 mind-blowing facts take us from the largest black hole in the universe to the deepest parts of the ocean, from the loudest sound on Earth to the quiet heartbeat of a giant, and into your own body where billions of cells are reborn every day. The universe is full of wonders, and we have only just begun to explore them. Subscribe for more mind-blowing science facts. Check out my Ko-Fi page for ebooks and more. And follow me on X at ScienceSnack for daily science facts. Thanks for watching. ScienceSnack out.